this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another whole body weight workout. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do some aerobics, and I am a big fan of crunches. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I'm a big fan of crunches. So I do crunches, and I usually mix them with aerobics for a boot camp suite. I like to call it the boot camp suite or the boot camp workout ab aerobic suite. Okay, many names. It has many names. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to do some crunches on this bed now. With it's kind of a soft surface, so it makes it a little more challenging. But if you know how to angle your body right, you can really get a very good position. It's just a little more challenging trying to balance yourself as you're doing it. So anyway, but you can still do the same footing positions. I can do close, I can do about mid-range, or I can do really far out like this, okay? Today I'm just going to do close ones because I haven't actually done these in a while. Anyway, so with that being said, just do close ones, and since my butt is not really on a solid surface, I really have to work hard to, you know, keep good form and good motion as I'm doing this. Okay, so I'm doing just close crunches. Okay. And with the close footing position, you can really sort of play with the. It's a little bit easier, so you can sort of play with the motion, you know, the exercise a little bit more. So the side ones obviously target the obliques. The side, you know, crunches like this just are, you know, more targeting for the obliques. Okay, so I've already done a couple exercises. So what I'm going to do is just a little bit of aerobics. Okay, aerobics that target the abs. So aerobics get the heart rate going and also burn fat. You can burn fat as you build muscle. Just in the middle of this like loft thing here. All right. Okay, and these Apsara exercises really also target the obliques. Okay, and do the twisting ones. I'm going to sort of kick my legs out as I do them. Just to add a little more challenge and difficulty to the aerobic exercise. Actually, also targeting my abs and my obliques. Okay, and I can just do straight aerobics. Knees up as high as I can. All right, and look, that's it. Let's go back to the crunches. Sides. Okay. And if you use this to your advantage, the fact that I'm not on a solid surface, just sort of use it to my advantage. Just keep balancing myself, you know, and that adds a little bit more, you know, a little bit higher level of difficulty to the exercise. And you can just sort of hold your legs up too, you know, hold your legs up to add a little more difficulty to the exercise. All right, so let's go 3 total rounds here. Aerobics. Okay, Apsara. You can also do the half Apsara, or you can do the whole Apsara with your knees up at your sides, you know, as close to your sides as possible. Then you can do the half one, where it's sort of halfway to your sides. All right, just to mix it up a little bit. twist. Just kick your feet out as you're twisting. Okay. Oh. All right. Back to the crunches one more time. Whew. And you'll feel it. You know, you'll probably feel it. Okay. One more time. All right, one more time. Yeah, my abs are getting pretty tight. My abs and obliques are actually getting pretty tight. That's good. All right, so let's go one more round with the aerobics and we'll call it a day. You don't need to do this workout for very long for it, you know, to burn muscle, burn fat, and build muscle around the ab area. It really doesn't take that long. As long as you commit yourself to doing this workout, you know, 3 to 4 times a week, or 2 to 3 times a week, whenever you have time. Okay, targeting the obliques and the overall abs. Let's do the half absara again. Okay, then do the twist. Pick your legs up as you twist. Okay, and that's about it. Really not any more difficult or challenging than that. It didn't take very long, it's still under 10 minutes.